This is not my personal case per se, it is my family case that I brought to this law firm. Well, my family had a car accident, and there were 5 of them together. It was a major accident, unfortunately, but all survived. And then after that, of course, they had to go to medical treatment, and then after we get together, my family, they always count on me to find them a lawyer who could represent them for their cases. I happen to work with many lawyers in downtown and in the Chicago area, but when I think of having a lawyer in downtown or different location is the hassle of the crowdedness, the transportation, and going to that loop area. I thought it's a kind of hard, and then I decided to do research around the neighborhood if I can find a lawyer in the neighborhood. And this law firm, Agruss law firm, happened to be less than 3 miles from my family residence, and I approached them, just one phone call. They responded immediately, and we end up to be with them. Well, the impression that I found from this law firm is, number one, when I called them, I spoke to a human person rather than going to answering machine or through different services. That's one thing that you don't see these days. And the second thing is location. It's close to my family's home. And the third reason is the convenience of transportation to their offices. Train, footstep, buses are just in front of the door. Those are the things that made me to make a decision to come. And once I get here, I found that his staff and the teamwork they have as the lawyers, it was just impressive. Oh yes, the line of communication was very open. Phone, texting, emailing, whatever that you gave them to be contacted, I have given them all that information, and they have been updating me and contacting me through that. And if I have any questions, immediately they respond. To the maximum that I encountered with them was like 2 hours for response, and immediately they respond. So to get this kind of law firm, I'm very lucky. If anyone needs any legal issues that who comes to my here, or if it comes to conversation with my friends, the Agruss law firm is always on my priority list. And I thank them for their service.